Hello, this is Dennis Fuchs, the Stearns Conservation District Administrator, with his last weekly conservation update. I want to first start off today talking about folks that'll be rolling their fields and making them smooth as a baby's butt. That is something that we don't really encourage. We like to see a little more crop residue, and also making sure that we have some surface roughness. If we get any of these downpours like we recently have had, you're going to see a lot of soil movement, a lot of nutrients, a lot of sediment, a lot of precious topsoil moving off into our ditches, streams, and wetlands and lakes, which is going to create more problems with ditch cleanouts and algae blooms this summer. So try to minimize the amount of rolling of these fields that we see out there. And I want to also mention that I really appreciate Chasm over all these years helping us get the word out. Chasm Radio has just been a fantastic partner with the Stearns Conservation District and the USDA Service Center here at Wade Park in getting the information out to landowners that they need to make the appropriate decisions in conservation, production, and loans. You name it, they're there to help out. So thank you, Randy, your crew. Really appreciate it knowing and working with all of the staff there at Chasm over these past 29 years. And it's just been a very good partnership. Also want to mention that our office promotes voluntary conservation. We're not a regulatory agency. We've always been here to promote conservation and help farmers and landowners address your resource concerns in a voluntary fashion. We feel that's the most important way to solve problems is through outreach, education, providing technical and financial assistance when we can to solve these problems. And I hope that a lot of you listeners can join me on Thursday, May 29th, when I'll be celebrating my retirement. And that'll be at Milk and Honey Cider at St. Joseph, Minnesota. And it's right there off of County Road 51. A lot of people are asking, well, where is that place? I haven't been there yet. Well, that's a darn shame for the first part there. That's a place you want to check out. And why not do it on May 29th? I'm going to be having a gathering there from 3 in the afternoon until 9 p.m. And we'll have some cider, some beer, some refreshments, food trucks pulling in to make sure we can get you folks fed. That'll be out of your own pocket, though. I'm sorry, I can't buy you lunch, but maybe I could get you a beer. We'll see about that, and that's something that I hope I can do, because 3rd Street Brewery in Cold Spring has been a tremendous supporter of all of our Minnesota Ag Water Quality certified farms and farmers in and around central Minnesota, and they might just help me out a little bit that day when I need to. I know I owe a lot of people a beer, and this would be a great opportunity for me to get even. So once again, this is going to be my last conservation report. This has been Dennis Fuchs, and I can't thank you enough for allowing me to be on Chasm and putting up with my shenanigans, and including the Lakers, the Lake Henry Lakers. Oh my gosh, they're such a wonderful baseball team. It's hard to beat them. They're going to probably go all the way this year in state. I don't know for sure, but if not, then St. Martin will be my backup team. And then maybe even the Richmond Royals could come in there and help out a little bit too. We'll see. But I just want to thank all the listeners once again for 29 years of being on Chasm. I really appreciate the partnership, and I appreciate working with all of you landowners and listeners throughout my career here in Stearns County as the Stearns Conservation District Administrator. So I'll be signing off now, and I hope to see a lot of you Thursday, May 29th, at my retirement party at Milk and Honey Cider in St. Joseph, Minnesota. Goodbye.